table, garbage bags, soapy water, paper towels, cotton t-shirts, squirt bottle, fabric tie-dye colors, rubber bands and sealable plastic bags. Choose your technique and tie up your shirt to create different tie-dye designs. Use one of the many different dyeing techniques out there. Essentially, you'll be using the rubber bands, string, marbles and coins to create these designs. By twisting the fabrics into different shapes and patterns, the ink will seep into the crevices, creating textures and color effects. By pinching the fabric around certain areas and tying the rubber band around it, or adding string, marbles or coins to create even more fun effects, you can design a tie-dye masterpiece. There are all kinds of different ways to do this, but here are 3 popular techniques to get you started. Spiral. Starting in the middle of the T, twist the shirt until it's tightly wrapped up into dents, a spiral shape. Place 3-4 rubber bands around the wound-up shirt so they create 6-8 pie shapes of equal sizes. Add a different ink color onto each slice of the pie. Do this on both sides, ensuring each side of the slice is the same dye color. Crumple. Start at one end of your flattened shirt and slowly scrunch up the fabric. Messier is better, but try to keep it more fat pancake shaped, not ball shaped. A balled up shirt makes it harder for the ink to reach the inner areas of the shirt. Add one color of ink on one side of the shirt. Make sure not to overdo it or risk losing that tie-dye texture. Flip the shirt and repeat with the same or a different color. Bullseye. Pinch your shirt where you want the center of the bullseye to be and pull upwards. Place a rubber band about 3-4 inches below where you're pinching. A few inches below that, add another rubber band. Continue until you run out of shirt and basically make a long, fabric tube. Within each section, add a different ink color. Don't like rules? That's cool too. Sometimes the best designs happen just by randomly twisting, curling, or going with your gut. Sure, it could turn out like a mess, but that's part of the fun, right? Start dyeing. Now it's time for the super fun part. Dunk sections of your shirt into different dyes. Try really hard to avoid mixing dye colors together in the buckets and on the shirt itself. When too many dyes mix, the color seriously starts to look like poop. Definitely not groovy. For extra precision, use squirt bottles to apply some of the dyes. Some dye kits come with them already, but if not, grab some on your own. This is a great way to add dye more precisely than just dunking. Dry, allow any excess dye drip off the fabric. We know you're beyond tempted to check out your creation, but seriously, do not unwrap that shirt. And finally rinse it out, wash it and dry it finally. It's time to see your gorgeous, new creation. While running the shirt under warm water, fully rinse it while untying. After it's been completely unfurled, run it under cool water. Once the water runs clear, wring the shirt out and take a good look at what you made. Pretty cool, huh?
The next day.
So excited to see the results. Okay, so now let's open it. Come on, let's open it. Okay, first one, done. 3, let him go. Let her go. Okay, I got one out. I got one out. Like that though, you got this. Yes, well, we're working. Yes, 2 out. So I have only colors pink, blue, and yellow. Now I'll do the second. Mom, look at Creed. It's so cool. Wow.
Creed, let's show the video, Creed. Creed, I'll show your finished product here.
No, Creed. It works like this. No, be the boy.
Oh, that is
Here
so
the
great.
Product.
That is
Yay.
so
See,
great.
have a tie-dye.
Cassie, show your...
This is mine. This is mine.
My anniversary 3
this.
Dude. But I like mine too, because this is my anniversary.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time. Bye.